Okay, I'm going to try to film this until my phone goes dead, which might be about, I'm at 29%. First, let me get some Wi-Fi here. What? Oh yeah, we're burning oil.
Trying to navigate. I got a woman driver.
What's up, folks? This is Kenny here. We're here at the Greer's Ferry Heber Springs Trump Boat Parade. We are having
God love America, though, buddy.
we started a little bit late due to a little bit of storming, but it's good. We got a bunch of folks here with Trump flags and Trump shirts and Trump banners and Trump airplanes and
But Almighty God.
got Trump floaties
Almighty God.
and Trump cheerleading and Trump everything else. This is my second live stream. I did one about the start of the parade. You can see here where I commented. Here's me, here's the lovely Rebecca. We got a bunch of other folks in the back. And I'm just capturing this event so we could put it for history books, put it on YouTube, Gab, other places. Hold on, let me post my other links.
Amen, sister. Amen.
You guys ladies on the phone trying to call their
They're not
people.
where they should be. Are they here? God love America.
And so we got little boats with big flags and big boats with little flags and every other flag you can imagine. We got the tassel flag here, tassel boat. I don't know how much power I have, so if it starts it'll give me an announcement when it says 10%. I got my 1 foot in front of the other running stats. Hello. I got a guy mixing a drink there. We got our Trump slide. Well, it's not a Trump slide, but it can be. If you want to slide for Trump, you can. We got the speed boats, party barges, little John boats, big giant houseboats, every boat you could possibly imagine, and some you probably can't. I'm going to invite some other folks here. They had one last few weeks ago in Lake Hamilton in Hot Springs. They missed that one, but we were able to go to this one. We'll set this down here. Say what?
Too slow.
Everybody's.
I was trying to get over there, but he's got it now. No, y'all good. I was trying to get her to get in there, but she's just a little too slow. Come on, go, Gردana, go.
There's up Phil.
Thank you. I'm trying to
Got folks on the
navigate.
upper
I
deck.
got a female pilot. Come on.
We got Strayhorn. We got other people up on the upper decks here, so they can get an awesome view.
God bless America.
Hello.
What's up,